to me being cheap. I'm going to talk a little bit about ways to save money today. And one of the things that you could do is simply stay out of the store. Make things last a little longer, delay purchases. It's good for the environment, it's good for your budget. If you had to run to the store every single time you needed something, that's wear and tear on the vehicle, that's gas, and that's your time too. You could always put a dollar amount on your time. And so what I like to do is try and make things last a little longer. We recently got a store in our town. It is a small store, but they don't always stock everything. So for me to run to a big box store whenever I needed something would be quite a drive for me. So I'm going to talk a little bit about my shower curtain. So first of all, I hope you can see in here. It's a little dark. The light is way up there and it's out, so I've got to get in here with a ladder and change the light. But what I wanted to show you is, like so many shower curtains, it's torn. The holes have torn here. I've made new holes, they've torn. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, the shower curtain is a little dirty. There's a little bit of mildew there. We have kind of hard water and water with a lot of iron. We're on a well, so it's a little dirty down here too. I'm sure some of that's some soap scum. You can actually wash your shower curtain in the washing machine, and I think there's a little black mildew down in there. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to run this through the washing machine. I'm not going to do a special load. I'm just going to throw it in with my white clothes that I happen to be washing tonight. And then if this survives the wash cycle, this has been washed several times before. If it survives the wash cycle, what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to fold this down and I'm going to sew it with my sewing machine, and then I'm going to put new holes in it. So it'll be about an inch shorter for the shower curtain. But let's see if this survives the wash cycle. Okay, so you can see all these areas, they're ripped. I have poked additional holes. We are just going to sew this down. We're actually going to start with this end. Some people really wonder why I would really go to the effort. I'll tell you what, it all adds up. It's probably just a $5 shower curtain. But it all adds up after a while. Just a cheap old vinyl shower curtain. I tell you what, this is good for the environment. It's good for the pocketbook. I would rather make myself rich rather than a shower curtain manufacturer. I just keep folding it so it's approximately even. It does not have to be perfect. It is just a shower curtain. I love this old machine. The belt flew apart on it. I had to order a new one off the internet.